Okay, in second lecture we are going to discuss the reactions of carbanion. There are number of reactions of carbanion we are going to discuss. So you already know there are number of reactions, but carbanion shows the reaction is first is addition reaction. First is addition reaction. Okay, second one is elimination reaction. Second one is elimination reaction. Addition reaction, second one is elimination reaction. Okay, third one is a displacement reaction. Third one is displacement reaction, and fourth one is rearrangement. Fourth one is rearrangement. So there are four types of reaction shown by the carbanion: addition reaction, elimination reaction, displacement reaction, and a rearrangement reaction. So we're going to discuss all the reaction in general, and also we're going to discuss in a detail. So which are the named reactions reported by the of carbanion. So from these four types we're going to discuss in detail in our next lecture. But today in that lecture we're going to discuss the types of reaction, how carbanion undergoes these four types of reaction. So the first type of reaction is addition reaction. Four type of reaction is addition reaction. So what is the addition reaction? Addition reaction means, suppose here consider carbanion is negatively charged. What is the addition? One molecule is add on another molecule with the another molecule, and the result is formation of single bond between them. So we need the another molecule is here. Suppose we consider carbonyl carbon. So here this negative charge. So negative charge carbanion acts as a two-way. It acts as a conjugated base or it acts as a nucleophile. It depending on the environment. Suppose in an environment there is an acidic character is present, so that time this negative charge acts as a base. It is nothing but also acts as a base. But suppose in an environment there is a electrophilic nature is present. Electrophilic nature is present. That time the carbanion acts as a nucleophile. So here carbonyl carbon is present. Carbonyl carbon, here is a partially positive charge, here is a partially negative charge. So due to this center is electrophilic. This center is electrophilic in nature. What is the electrophilic in electrophile? Electrophile means electron loving. It is attracted towards the electron. It is attracted towards the rich species. That means this carbon has ability to react with the electron rich center. What is a nucleophile? Nucleophile means nucleus loving. It attracted with the nucleus, and you know in a nucleus there is a neutron and proton is present. Neutron is chargeless. That means only proton is present, means nucleus is positively species. So it is rich. It attracted with the deficient. It has tendency to attract with the deficient. It has tendency to attract with the rich. That means these negative charge electrons will attack. See clear the mechanism. This negative charge attack on the deficient species. Already carbon has 4 valency. It accept the electron pair, means it will undergoes formation of bond, another bond. So 5 bond formation is difficult. So how bond is formed? When these electrons are comes to form the bond with this carbon, same time the pi electron delocalize over on the oxygen. Pi electrons delocalize over on the oxygen. So after that what happened? Carbon, this carbon form bond with this. Okay, this carbon has already 2 valencies. Here is aldehyde ketone, whatever is present. But what happened here? The double bond break and converts into single bond. So here carbon oxygen bond is only single bond is present. This 2 pi electron delocalized on the oxygen, means oxygen getting the negative charge. Oxygen getting the negative charge. So this bond is nu sigma bond. Nu sigma bond. This bond is new sigma bond. So this is the result of addition reaction. Addition reaction always shows the formation of sigma bond between the two molecules. Okay, and we're going to discuss their reactions: aldol condensation, Claisen condensation, and so on. These are the reactions of carbanion. In which type of reaction? There is an addition type of reaction. We will discuss in later part of the chapter. So this is the one of the reaction. This is the addition reaction. Okay. Second one is elimination reaction. Second one is elimination. What is the elimination? Elimination means to remove the molecule, to group or atom in the form of molecule from the substrate. So removal of atoms or groups from the substrate, and their result is formation of carbon-carbon double bond. The result is formation of carbon-carbon double bond. Suppose here I taking just this example. Here is the X, here is the H. X is the any living group. You already know this. What is the elimination reactions? So elimination reaction you already discussed in your semester third. So here, if base is present, if base will abstract this one, if the proton is acidic, these protons are acidic. Why these protons are acidic? Due to presence of leaving group, because leaving group has minus R or minus I effect. Minus R or minus I effect. Withdrawing effect, that's why they easily lost from this center. So first, in a first step, there is a formation of carbanion. In a first step, there is a formation of carbanion. Okay, carbanion is formed. So this carbanion goes here to form the double bond between these two carbons, same time to depart the X, to depart the X. So after this, what happened here? R, CH, double bond, CH, R is formed, means alkene is formed. Alkene is formed. Okay, so here is the carbanion. Actually our reaction start from this center, this species, because it is a formation of carbanion. Here is a reactions of carbanion. Okay, so nothing but this reaction is called as E1CB reaction. This reaction called as E1CB, unimolecular elimination via conjugated base, is the E1CB reaction. Okay, so this reaction you already know in a third semester. So this is one of the reported reaction of carbanion. Carbanion is the intermediate. I told you, carbanion is nothing but carbanion is the intermediate. There are number of intermediates formed in a reactions: carbocation, carbanion, carbene, nitrene. All are the free radical. All are the reaction intermediates which are formed in reaction condition. Intermediates are reactive species. They are easily react and always try to fall the reaction into product side. So carbanion is nothing but carbanion is the intermediate. Third reaction is in displacement reaction. Third reaction is displacement reaction. Third reaction is displacement reaction. So here in a displacement reaction there are two conditions. Carbanion as a intermediate, carbanion as a intermediate, and second is carbanion as a nucleophile. What is the meaning of that? Carbanion as an intermediate, like E1CB, there is as an intermediate is formed, but carbanion as a nucleophile in a first case, in addition reaction, there carbanion is directly acts as a nucleophile, will attack on electrophile. So there are two conditions: carbanion as an intermediate and carbanion as a nucleophile. So we see the first. Suppose here R, CH, C double bond O, R. So due to this carbonyl, here protons are acidic. Protons are acidic. So suppose OD is base, OD minus, OH minus, like as a OD minus, because D is the deuterium, is the isotope of hydrogen. So OD and OH minus both are same. Suppose here abstraction of proton, what happened? R, CH negative, C double bond O, R. Okay, and this is in a conjugation. This is in a conjugation. So after that here CH double bond C O negative R. So here is a carbanion, but here is the carbanion, and we call it is a enolate. आपण याला म्हणतो enolate. In okay, H असेल तर त्याला enol म्हणतात. So carbanion adjacent to the carbonyl, it converts into enolate. Both are same, both are correct, both are same, but just resonating form of each other. So suppose it comes, okay, so this negative charge, again abstract the something. Suppose here D2 is there, dideuterium oxide, dihydrogen oxide means water. Instead of water, suppose we use D2O as compared to same as a H2O. So what happen? This pi electron abstract the deuterium and formation of R CH D C double bond OR. So if you compare these two, what happen? Hydrogen is replaced by the deuterium. So this is a displacement reaction. Hydrogen is replaced by the deuterium. So it is just displacement reaction. In that case, the carbanion form as an intermediate. Carbanion form as a intermediate. In second case, we are going to discuss carbanion as a nucleophile. Carbanion as a nucleophile. So it is a B type. Carbanion as a nucleophile. Okay, so carbanion as a nucleophile we are going to discuss. So for that we consider here example. Suppose R C double bond O CH2 C double bond OR. Okay, or sometime it is just think this skeleton. CH2 present between the two flying carbonyl carbons. This CH2 called as active methylene carbon. This carbon called as active methylene carbon, and it is more acidic in nature because their adjacent two electron withdrawing carbonyl groups are present. Due to this, two carbonyls, CH2 is more acid, CH2 protons are more acidic, they are easily undergoes loss of proton and formation of carbanion. And which carbanion is formed? Suppose minus H plus, so I just write here OH minus is suppose we used like that. So here formation of CH negative C double bond OR. So once carbanion is formed, the carbanion is more stable as compared to other carbonyls we have to see here, because this side, both sides the carbanion will stabilize here or here also, but here the carbanion is a nucleophile, not a intermediate. Because of it react with the electrophilic species. And which electrophilic species? Suppose here we consider RX. So R is positive, X is negative. You already know alkyl halide. So this will attack on alkyl group, on carbon where the halogen is, or where the X is nothing but it is a leaving group. So where X is attached, the negative charge will attack on that carbon. So here we just represented generally R is here. So finally we getting what happened? CH C double bond OR. So here R is attached. Here R is attached. So this is, in that case, this carbanion acts as a nucleophile. This carbanion acts as a nucleophile and will attack on electrophilic center. So we also discuss same type of reaction in later part, in a application part. There we going to discuss this way to preparation of number of synthetic applicable or useful compounds. We prepare synthetic compounds using this way. But what is the point of discussion? Carbanion here acts as a nucleophile. The result is, you compare these two with each other. Here hydrogen is displaced by the alkyl group, but carbanion acts as a nucleophile. In last reaction, hydrogen is replaced by the deuterium, but carbanion form as an intermediate because there no directly electrophilic or nucleophilic reaction is there. So just there is a displacement of hydrogen by the deuterium, but here displacement of hydrogen by the alkyl group or any other group, any electrophile which is used here. So this is the third type of reaction, displacement reaction. And last is rearrangement. Last is rearrangement. What is a rearrangement? Rearrangement means shifting of groups or atoms from one place to another place within a molecule. Within a molecule means, suppose in our room, suppose we change the position of the other things, one means one of the thing is shifted to the another corner, means within a room we shifted the positions. Same way here is the rearrangement of the molecule. Starting molecule undergoes rearrangement and getting the different product, but this is the rearranged product of the starting one. We're going to discuss here in detail. Suppose for that I taking example here, R CH2Br. Okay, suppose this Br, I already discussed with you, suppose removal of group or atom, halogens are easily replaced by sodium metal. So this sodium metal replaced, twice sodium metals are required here. So basically here required sodium metal. When sodium lost the Br, so formation of NaBr. So here formation of carbanion. Here is the formation of carbanion. But this carbanion itself undergoes rearrangement. Means this substituent is shifted on this position. So we get the intermediate like that, R. So this R is equally attached to the both the carbons. This carbon or this carbon means the negative charge shifted on carbon, and after completion of the process we getting, here is the negative charge, here is the CH2R, and here is the R. Means here primary carbanion is there, here is a tertiary carbanion is there. So this is a rearrangement. This is the rearrangement with each other. And when we proceed this reaction, we do the further reaction. Suppose we just use alcohol is the solvent. So protonation is takes place. What happen? Protonation is takes place because alcohol is neutral, not a electrophile. So solvent gives the proton to these species. Here is the rich. So in that case, this carbanion is not a nucleophile because here is a neutral molecule is present. Here carbanion acts as a base and giving or accept the proton from solvent. So after that we convert it HCH2R. CH2R means this is the rearrangement kind of reaction. So here these are the four types of reaction: addition reaction, elimination reaction, displacement reaction. In a displacement, carbanion as an intermediate, carbanion as a nucleophile. Again last one is the rearrangement type of reaction. So this is all about the reactions of carbanion. So we moving to the next point, reactions involving the carbanion as a intermediate. So we're going to discuss some reported name reactions which in that the carbanion form as a intermediate. So for that we're going to discuss first reaction is aldol reaction. First reaction is aldol reaction, or it is a aldol condensation reaction. Okay, so aldol reaction or aldol condensation reaction. So first of all, what is the aldol or what is the aldol condensation reaction? So we're going to first discuss the some conditions which are required in a aldol condensation reaction. So here aldol is nothing but it is a beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. So like that. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. So in aldol condensation reaction, there is a condensation of two carbonyl compounds with each other and formation of beta hydroxy compound as a product. Means which compounds are used as a material in aldol condensation? Basically those compound which having the alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha hydrogen atom is the condition. So those atoms which are containing the alpha hydrogen atom undergoes aldol condensation reaction. Which compound? There are maybe aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone undergoes aldol condensation reaction, but condition is they should be present the alpha hydrogen atoms. Okay, so for that, in generally, aldehyde, here is the alpha carbon, this alpha carbon should be present the hydrogen. Okay, so if the alpha hydrogen present on the in the compound at alpha position, they undergoes condensation reaction in presence of base. So here we need the two molecules of carbonyl compound. If we use the aldehyde, we need the two molecules. If we use the ketone, we need the two molecules. So this is very interesting reaction to discuss. So just keep in mind, aldehyde and ketone is as a starting material in aldol condensation reaction, but the condition is the aldehyde or ketone should be present the alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, we're going to discuss in general. So here beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is a product. So here which compounds having the alpha hydrogen atom? Suppose we consider CH3. So acetaldehyde, acetone, this way. But suppose we use formaldehyde. Can formaldehyde undergoes this reaction? No, because of there is no alpha proton. Suppose we consider benzaldehyde. Is this benzaldehyde undergoes aldol condensation? No, because of this is the alpha position, and on alpha position there is no carbon, no hydrogen. Means the condition of aldol condensation reaction is the carbonyl compound, means aldehyde and ketone should be present the alpha hydrogen atom. So this undergoes aldol condensation, this undergoes aldol condensation, but these two are not. Suppose I taking another example. Suppose Ar C double bond OH. Again there is a alpha carbon, and alpha carbon having the all phenyl rings, means again there is no alpha protons, means this also, this do not undergoes aldol condensation reaction. So this is our first condition is which compound undergoes aldol condensation reaction, means aldehyde and ketone undergoes aldol condensation reaction. Those aldehyde and ketone having alpha hydrogens, we going to condensation reactions, we discuss in detail. Okay, so here we are going to discuss the general reaction is, suppose we consider acetaldehyde undergoes aldol condensation reaction. So in aldol condensation reaction we need the two molecules of same. So if two molecules of same molecules undergoes this is a self condensation. If we use another acetaldehyde, so both are same molecules, so this is a self aldol condensation because of one molecule react with same molecule. So this is the self aldol condensation reaction. In that condition, one of the molecule undergoes formation of carbanion, and this molecule will react with the another molecule. So it is an addition type of reaction. So one molecule undergoes formation of carbanion and react with the second molecule. We already discussed the addition reaction, same reaction. So what happened? Suppose if we consider this molecule undergoes carbanion formation, so here NaOH is used. NaOH is used as a base. So what is the role of base? Base will abstract the proton. So due to this carbonyl carbon, these protons are acidic, so base OH minus will abstract this proton and shifting the bonding electrons over on the carbon. So what happened here? Formation of CH2 negative, C double bond OH. So carbanion formation, means one molecule undergoes carbanion formation, and it will react with second molecule CH3, C double bond OH. So this will react. So arrow start from rich end, negative end, and goes on deficient center here. So same time there is a delocalization of pi electron over on the oxygen. We directly discuss the reaction as well as mechanism. Okay. So after this, what happened? So how to write the product? So start the product from this end, तिकडून लिहिता यायचे. Okay, C double bond OH, then CH2. CH2 will attach to this carbon. Okay, this carbon having CH3 as well as H, and the oxygen converted into O minus. Okay, so this way you can write the product. In last, just we need the H plus. So this will abstract the proton and converted into CH3, COH, H, CH2, C double bond H. This is alpha carbon, this is a beta carbon. So and beta position there is a hydroxy group. So it is a beta hydroxy aldehyde, because we know which compound we used. So aldehyde is used. So it is a beta hydroxy aldehyde. So it is a aldol. It is nothing but it is a aldol. Okay. Suppose this reaction is heated in dilute HCl condition or dilute acidic condition, it undergoes dehydration. It undergoes dehydration. So for dehydration we need the OH, we need the H. So this OH and here the H is present. So this are removed and formation of double bond between alpha and beta position. So we getting CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. So alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde we use, and it is the compound is alpha beta unsaturated. So if this is not given, you just stop reaction here, but basically the reaction heating condition is there, so always reaction is converted into alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. So this is the reaction. Okay, so how we write the products? I just repeat here. There are two molecules are required, both containing the alpha hydrogen, because both molecules are same. One of the molecule undergoes formation of carbanion, means one molecule acts as a nucleophile, another molecule acts as an electrophile. So those undergoes carbanion formation acts as a nucleophile. We here converted into nucleophile, means here is the carbanion. Here is the carbanion. Okay, once carbanion is formed, it will reacted with the another molecule, and negative center reacted with the deficient center. So this is the reaction. So attack here, and pi electrons are delocalized, we getting this one. O negative will abstract the proton and convert it into hydroxy group. So it is a beta hydroxy aldehyde is our aldol. It is your product. When the on heating condition, if dilute HCl is used, so because dilute HCl is used, for that the OH is not good leaving group. So in dilute HCl, OH becomes good leaving group, and because protonation, OH converts into H2O and they easily lost. So here formation of carbon-carbon double bond. So alpha beta unsaturated compound is formed. It is a final product or final possible product of the aldol condensation reaction. So we now to discuss how to write the products, how we directly write the products. So for that, suppose acetone is given plus second molecule is given, and here is the NaOH is given. Okay, so in an examination question asked like that, the reaction which is given to you, and choose the correct product which is forming given reaction. ही reaction दिली असेल. Okay, so इथं हे दोन molecule दिले असतील किंवा just reaction is given like that. Okay, so here the reaction is given like that, twice is given, that means it is aldol condensation reaction. So which way reaction is given, but it is the aldol condensation. So how we write the directly products without mechanism? So just imagine this molecule undergoes carbanion formation, means you just imagine here is the what left after the formation of carbanion, here is the CH2 C double bond O CH3. You just attach this CH2, forget this one, CH2, this carbon, and convert it into OH. Means you can directly write product as. So start from this side, CH3 C double bond O. This carbon converted into CH2. It will attach with this carbon. This carbon having again two CH3 groups. You just write first, and the carbonyl converted into OH. Carbonyl converted into OH. So it is the beta hydroxy compound. It is a first step product. Suppose dilute HCl, heating condition is given. Just what happened? This H and OH is replaced, formation of double bond. So CH3 C double bond O, CH double bond CH, sorry, not CH. This is the product. Means A product, because if you see the exercise in a book, A and B is given to you. So this is one A, this will the B. So A and B is the product. Another example is, suppose CH3 CH2 C double bond OH is given. It is a propanaldehyde. So two molecules are required. So we write two molecules here. So how we write the product? Just imagine, suppose this molecule undergoes carbanion, where carbanion is formed on the alpha position. So here, after formation of carbanion, means loss of proton, here only CH is left. Okay, so in your imagination CH is left, this CH will attach to this and it convert into OH. So we write this as a, इथून start करा किंवा इथून start करा. Okay, C double bond O, H is here. After that, after loss of proton, here only CH is present. Okay, we first write the longest chain. That's why this is as a substituent we write here. This CH attached with carbonyl, it converts it has the H, CH converted into OH, and what remaining? CH2 CH3. So again alpha beta. So beta hydroxy aldehyde. After that, heating, just loss of proton. So this H and OH lost with each other, converted H, C double bond O. Here C CH3 double bond, because H is lost with OH. What remaining here? Only CH is remaining here. CH2 CH3. So this way you can write the product. So in the next lecture we are going to discuss, but here we use both the same molecules, means both are aldehyde, both are ketone, but both molecules are same. But if one of molecule with, but if there are two different molecules are used, means one aldehyde, one ketone, what happen? Okay, suppose both aldehydes, but both aldehydes are different, then what happen? If both are ketones but both ketones are different, what happen? So this is a cross aldol condensation reaction. So we're going to discuss in next lecture. Okay, so you just do the practice to write the products directly. Okay, because mechanism is not asked in examination, because it is MCQ type of pattern. So that's why you just try to understand which is the correct product. So the reaction is given to you, you just try to write the products directly. So do the practice, how will you write the product directly. So think about which form carbanion. Okay, do the one less carbon, attach with the another carbonyl, convert this carbonyl into OH and write the product in a longest chain form. So you can write any product, any two aldehydes are given to each other. But in a next lecture we discuss the cross aldol condensation reaction, because two different aldehyde, two different ketones, or one aldehyde, one ketone also react with each other. Then what happen? We're going to discuss in our next lecture.